If you are wondering if we have 3.5mm headphone jack available on POCO F7, then the answer is unfortunately no. The headphone jack is usually accessible from the top of the device or from the bottom. However, as you can see, in this case, the only port that we have is this USB-C port for charging or connecting with other devices. Therefore, if you have wired headphones with USB-C cable, then that's a good news for you, because of course you can just directly connect them and they should work. However, if you have wired headphones that have other cable, like this one over here, 3.5mm headphone jack, then of course in this case we have to use an adapter, something like this, where we can convert the headphone cable into USB-C, so we can connect the cable to the adapter, and then by using USB-C cable we can connect it to our phone. And this is how we can also use wired headphones on this phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.